Hey, we're just leaving the airport. Crystal's saving her pennies to get this place on the corner. They got a nice seawall too with the boat lift. Whoop, whoop, whoop. Danger, danger. And if it came with the airplane, you'd have a twin airplane too. I'd have to get another multi-engine rating. Well, that too. Howdy. Okay, we're back in the danger zone. Yeah, right. At least he pulled up. Real estate guide. We passed it. There's another one. Real estate guide. And the Summerland Key Post Office, 33042. Nice boat. Racing boat. I like this guy's fifth wheel. Slice of paradise. Turn it, slice of paradise. I got you on film doing a Yui. Summerland Cove. Down there is Moat Marine. And over here is Summerland Key. Okay, we're following Crystal. Welcome to Summerland Key, an island you'll love for life. What's the hurry, you're here? That's correct. There is no hurry. Okay. The end of Caribbean Drive.